Most people want to improve their lives, but they start in the wrong place, chasing results instead of building systems. Self-improvement begins not with money or power, but with awareness of your own daily micro-decisions. In finance, the compound effect is known, but the same rule applies to habits. 1% better. Every day doubles your output in 70 days. The economy rewards scarcity, but your potential is not scarce. Your time and attention are your only real assets. Politics teaches us one painful truth. Systems shape behavior. Your environment, your room, your phone, your social circle is your personal government. AI is automating tasks, but it cannot automate discipline. AI can write for you, but it cannot wake you up at 5 a.m. So where do you start? With one small non-negotiable action every morning. That is your bedrock. Let's call it the 5-minute rule. Do one thing you've been avoiding for just 5 minutes. No pressure to finish. In economics, there's a concept called sunk cost. Don't let past wasted time stop you from starting now. Politics rewards the loudest voices, but self-improvement rewards silence. The ability to listen to your own mind without distraction. AI models improve by training on data. You improve by training on failure. Every mistake is a gradient update for your brain. Financial independence is not about being rich, it's about buying back your time. Self-improvement does the same, but time is the only non-renewable resource. Even AI cannot generate past seconds. Your calendar is your autobiography. The economy runs on debt, but emotional debt, grudges, regret, shame has the highest interest rate. Forgive yourself. Politics is the art of compromise. Your inner life is not. Never compromise on your core values for short-term comfort. AI can optimize for efficiency, but you are not a machine. Rest is not wasted time. It's maintenance for creativity. Ask yourself, what would I do today if I wasn't afraid of looking stupid? That's your growth zone. In finance, leverage multiplies output. In life, leverage is other people. Learn publicly, teach what you learn. The economy has boom and bust cycles. So does motivation. Don't trust motivation. Trust your system. Politics teaches us that voting matters. In your life, you vote every day with your actions. What gets your energy wins. AI is a mirror of human data. It can reflect our biases. Your self-talk is an AI trained on your past. Retrain it. Start a done list, not just a to-do list. At the end of each day, write 3 small wins. This rewires your brain for progress. In a fast-changing economy, adaptability beats intelligence. Your willingness to be a beginner again is your superpower. Political stability requires feedback loops. Your life needs them too. Weekly reviews, honest friends, journaling. AI models need diverse data to avoid overfitting. You need diverse experiences. Read outside your bubble, talk to strangers. Stop comparing your behind the scenes to everyone's highlight reel. Social media is a biased sample, like fake economic data. Here's a political truth. Power does not yield unless forced. Your bad habits are the establishment. You must actively override them. The AI revolution will not replace humans who think clearly. Clarity comes from writing. Start a 50-word daily note. You cannot change the economy overnight. You cannot fix politics alone, but you can fix your morning routine. That is your locus of control. Start today. One image, one narration, one tiny action. The compound effect is real. I'll see you in the next video.